Okay, this is the third section. As you can see, we removed all the soil that was excavated in the area. We filled the trenches. This is 4 feet, about 4 to 5 feet high. You can see we filled the trench with gravel, pure gravel over here. Over there you can see the cleanups. There are two types. You can see the pipe sticking up. Okay guys, this is the middle section. As you can see, everything is done. Pump is right there. It's going to be connected in a few minutes. We're going to empty the water that's in the basin right now. This is the middle section. Remove the soil. I'll go to the third section in a minute. Okay, second cleanup. It's running in the drainage. Perfect. No leaks. Everything is sealed. Perfect.